That's taboo. I like the way you teach it.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. Thanks for clicking this video to watch. If you're new here, my name is Godlina and welcome to my channel. On this channel we do reviews, so if you're interested, do not hesitate to subscribe. To my returning subscribers, thanks for always coming here to watch my video. So in today's video, I will take you straight to Wecan. That is where I got this beautiful hair from. The hair is very beautiful. It is very natural when it comes to the texture. Okay, very natural, very shiny, and it is easy to comb. As you can see, I'm using my hand to comb the hair, but it is very easy to pass through the hair. It does not tangle. It is very easy to comb, very affordable as well. So I highly recommend this for you to make a purchase and you are not going to regret. I got it $23.99 and the hair will be between 26-28 inch. I do not see any length there. That is why I'm saying that. So it will be between 26-28 inch and it is $23.99. I highly recommend the hair for you to make a purchase. Again, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share to others. I will be leaving every information concerning the hair in the description. Do not forget to check it out. Make a purchase. You know Christmas is approaching and you are not going to regret it. Thanks for buying it and you will thank me later. See you in the next one.